Welcome back to your computer application class 8. In this part of the video, we will continue the topic. Chapter number 10, Networks. In this part of the video, we will discuss about communication channels or transmission media. Communication channel or transmission media is basically a medium which is used to transfer the information from one system to the another system. We always use some of the transmission media or communication channels so the data can be easily travel to their destination. Mostly we have two types of transmission media. One is a physical transmission media and second is a wireless transmission media. When we use cables or the wires for sending the information from one end to the another end, that time they become the part of physical transmission media. And when we use air or the satellite for sending the information from one end to the another end, that time it becomes the example of wireless transmission media. In a day-to-day life, we always use physical or wireless transmission media. Let's take an example. If we connect mobile to the laptop, that time we mostly use data cables. They are the example of physical transmission media. And when we access the internet by using Wi-Fi technology, they are the example of our wireless transmission media. Let's learn physical transmission media and wireless transmission media in a detail. According to our book, we consider the three types of cables for establishing a physical transmission media. They are twisted pair cables. Next we have coaxial cables and fiber optic cables. Twisted pair cable consists of two or more cables who are twisted with each other. Each twisted pair wire consists of two separate insulated copper wire that are twisted together and is color coded for identification. Like it can be red and black or white or blue or green or blue. It can be any two color who are twisted with each other. In landline phone network, we mostly use twisted pair cable. Next we have coaxial cable. The best example of coaxial cable is cable TV network. Now see here, coaxial cable consists of single copper wire surrounded by three layers of protection. First layer is insulated with the metal, second layer is a mesh of wires, third layer is a plastic cover for overcoating. Last cable which we have in a physical transmission media, that is a fiber optic cable. Whenever we establish a network, that time fiber optical cables are very helpful for us. The core of fiber optic cable consists of 100 thin strands of glass or plastic that use light to transmit signals. Many big companies use fiber optic cables for sending the information from one end to the another end. Next one we have wireless transmission media. In the wireless transmission media, we consider the terms infrared, broadcast radio, cellular radio, microwave and communication satellite. Infrared is a wireless transmission medium which we mostly use in our household remote controls. In infrared wireless technology, the signals are sent in the form of infrared light. Cordless keyboard and mouse is also the example of infrared. Next one we have broadcast radio. Broadcast radio is a wireless transmission media that distributes radio signals through the air over the long distance or also in a short distance. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi is the best example of broadcast radio. Next one we have cellular radio. Cellular radio wireless transmission medium is mostly used in mobile communication. Several categories of cellular radio transmission exist in these days. Few of them are 2G, 3G, 4G and 5G. Next one we have microwave. Microwave provide high speed of wireless transmission signals. Here we consider the concept of antennas. Whenever we want to send information from one end to the another end, we always establish antennas so the information can easily transfer from the one end to the another end. Antennas always based on earth-based technology. Let's consider the book term. A microwave station is an earth-based dish that contains the antennas, because antennas can be established only on the earth or on the surface, and other equipment necessary for microwave communication. Microwave transmission is used in wide open areas such as deserts or lakes. And definitely the area coverage of microwave is much larger than broadcast radio and infrared. Next one we have communication satellite. Communication satellite is basically a space station that receives information from the microwave signals from the earth-based station and emphasizes signals and send back to the earth so the information can be easily transferred. Television and radio broadcasts mostly use communication satellites. At present, we use this technology in weather forecasting, in a video conferencing, and for using internet connections. In the next part of the video, we will learn few terms related to internet, and also we will learn about different types of protocols. That's all in this part of the video. Thank you.